Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a macro photo in your Motorola Edge 30 Neo. So first of all, you have to go to the camera. If you don't have a camera, go to the menu and search for the camera application. And there is a camera application. So now we have try if we have some macro, as you see. The picture isn't sharpness as well, so it can switch the macro. The phone has noticed you that you can switch to macro. You can do this by pressing this little flower here. That's it. And now, as you see, the picture is much more sharpness and have better quality, so it's a macro photo. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.